Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by exposing the steering hardware and confirming the servo's neutral position. First, remove the body shell and the 4 screws over the chassis. This reveals the bell crank and linkages. Once done, power the radio and battery, then center the transmitter trim so the servo sits at neutral. This makes alignment meaningful. Make sure to wipe away dirt and debris. Small particles often cause binding. Next, visually inspect the servo horn, ball cups, and tie rods for damage before touching tools. Now focus on mechanical alignment and symmetry. Loosen the ball cups at the servo horn and on the steering knuckles, then gently adjust the tie rods until the wheels point straight when the servo is centered. This corrects toe and tracking. If any tie rod is bent or a ball cup is cracked, replace it. Failure to do so will cause persistent pull. Tighten joints securely, and when metal-to-metal threads are present, apply a tiny amount of thread lock. Finally, check transmitter endpoints to ensure equal left and right travel. Finish by road testing and fine-tuning the system so it behaves reliably. You should drive slowly and observe whether the car pulls, the steering recenters, or any binding appears. If the servo buzzes or struggles, stop and inspect for stripped gears, then either replace the servo or reduce steering throw and rate on the transmitter. Make sure to recheck tightness and alignment after the first battery cycle, because temperature and torque settling can shift the geometry. Recenter and tweak trims until the steering stays true.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.